Irregular verbs with examples and correct pronunciation. Lose, lost. He lost the game. Send, sent. She sent an email. Spend, spent. They spent the weekend. Sweep, swept. He swept the floor. Build, built. They built a house. Eat, ate. They ate dinner. Find, found. She found the keys. Sing, sang. They sang together. Blow, blew. The wind blew strongly. Draw, drew. He drew a picture. Fight, fought. They fought bravely. Ride, rode. He rode a bicycle. Cling, clung. He clung to the edge. Dig, dug. They dug a hole. Freeze, froze. The lake froze over. Give, gave. She gave a lift. Hide, hid. He hid behind the tree. Keep, kept. They kept the secret. Lead, led. She led the way. Make, made. He made a cake. Pay, paid. They paid the bill. Quit, quit. She quit her job. Rise, rose. The sun rose. Set, set. He set the table.